What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Snackable, and I have a snackable for you on today. So you may be wondering what are snackables. They're simple. They're words of wisdom to help you win in life. All right, I want to say happy Dr. King's Day on the day, right? It's Dr. King's birthday. And this is what I want you to know is that Dr. King didn't just have a dream. He had a decision. Ooh, that's powerful. Write that down. He just didn't have a dream. He had a decision. He made a decision to stand when it was uncomfortable. He made a decision to speak when it was dangerous. And he made a decision to love when it was easier to hate. I want you to check out this song that I wrote for Dr. King. As always, keep the dream alive. Share that with somebody on today. Share this with somebody and just tell them, keep the dream alive. That's all I have for you as always. Never let what your eyes see determine what your heart believes. Don't enjoy your day. Make sure your day enjoy you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep the dream alive.
Dr. King had a dream,
and the dream still lives.
and I walk and I talk it.
And the way we give,
Every time we choose to love,
the dream still lives.
and the dream still lives.
Keep the dream alive.
Dr.